Today's video, as always, is about driving fails, mistakes, how not to drive, and bad drivers. Don't forget the bonus video at the end. Who has the right of way? What are your thoughts? Driving 40 to 50 miles per hour on 20 miles per hour road, mate. You driving Corsa, not Ferrari. Close call with lady running stop sign at full speed and being delusional about it. My best guess? She decided to run it, then I surprised her.
What?
Why would it come out like that?
Stop sign.
I know that, but you came out with 20 miles per hour.
No, I did not. Hey, mine was stationary. And I yielded to you. I was stationary. I yielded to you.
I hope
Vehicle.
you got the person. I hope you got the person.
I think you know what they are. Yeah. Oh, careful. You went through very fast. Bye-bye. Wow, that's a crazy lady.
We're going to make them. We don't mind that happening, but those plants are going to be built in the United States, and our people are going to man those plants.
Really? I'm the problem? Oh. Jackass.
Other than what's in the video, after the driver pulled out and stopped in my lane, there was no oncoming traffic, so she should have kept going. She just looked at me like I was the dick. I waved her on and she stayed another second or two in defiance.
Come on.
They do it all the time. You know, a lot of MMA fighters are good fighters. So, you know, a lot of them train together. And then you go.
Break mo kami.
BMW cuts me off to make exit and crashes. Santa Monica. He tried to run, but I chased and followed him to a street with no outlet. He was very apologetic when he got caught. I have 35 in tires on my Bronco. They took the hit. The tires rubbed on his car and made a dent. I have no damage, just some rubbing on the tires, so I decided to let it go. That asshole is not worth my time. This video was created for educational, informational, and entertainment purposes only. Feel free to leave your comments under the video. Tampa, I think the guy was too focused on the cop that was next to him. I was just driving back to a family member's home after dinner, and the other driver cut us off. Didn't even acknowledge us or apologize when we pulled up next to them.
Next year. Whoa.
You fucking kidding me?
She said, I'm not an industry plant. It's not planned. Everybody was just there right in the moment because I had to ask. Chelsea wanted to include us in some of their stuff.
Your Money News, the nation's largest dollar store chain, is cutting back on what it sells. Dollar General is making changes. The Wall Street Journal says the discount retailer will goods it sells to get
Okay,
things
Garmin.
to shelves quicker.
Save
The
video.
changes are also aimed at improving efficiency and reducing theft. Dollar General has more than 20,000 stores.
And the bonus video, what are your thoughts? Write in the comments. Thank you for watching, and don't be shy. Leave a comment under the video.